I want to make edit like this. But I realize I know nothing about edit. I decide to learn. Welcome to first episode of my learning edit journey. I hop on YouTube and searching for tutorial. And I found this. And I decide to watch it. Wow, I got at it.
What's up, guys? It's Boltsies. Are you guys wanting to learn how to edit like this?
Yes, I want.
Today we are going to go over all the effects you need for viral edits, including transitions and shakes.
This video will teach me transition and shake. I speed run the video. The video was very good, clear, and easy to understand. Now I will try to create a short edit based on what I learned today. I search up for anim video. Then I found this website. After I got video and music I need, I hop on CapCut and do some random stuff. This is my edit after I do some random stuff. It was bad, so I add some mask, effect, and text in. This is the part after the first one. After that I work so hard, and this is the final result.